Yes, it is 16 degrees. Greg, are you ready for today?
I am ready I am steeled. My metal has been steeled.
Awesome. Well, we are headed to Yellowstone Park this morning. It is local time 6:38, and it's chilly. It's 16 degrees. Wind chill is like -1. It's 20-mile-an-hour winds. It's going to be chilly today. We got a job to do, and we're going to go do it. So we've got Galen following us up in the pickup, and we're hauling the machines, and we're heading that way. We're back here at the Sinclair Dino place. Use the facilities, I think, before we get too far into the park. As you can see, it's awesome here. Except for the fossil fuel stuff. There you go.
Okay.
There we go. Just like that.
Yeah, good system.
Good work. Yep, absolutely. Just leaving Yellowstone here now, and we're headed to Cody, Wyoming now. Got a bunch of stuff to do, and then we're going back to Yellowstone next week. We're heading out of the park north here, and we're going to get on Interstate 90 at Livingston and head east to Cody, Wyoming for the night. We got our job done, but I tell you, it is cold as heck here. Woof. I'm mobile and I am driving the rig headed towards Cody, and we're tooling down the road here at the trailer's safe speed of 70, and it's 80 here, but that's the way it goes. Weather's not bad. It's a whopping 33 out there, and all is good. In this part of the world, they allow these double tankers to be able to drive around. As you can see, it's a regular size plus another half or 2/3. This is deja vu all over again, right in the middle of all of these casinos. That casino, that casino, that casino. They're everywhere. We're here in Laurel, Montana, and we're about ready to head south here and head to Cody. We're off the interstate now, headed south here on Highway 310. Hey, did you feel that? I hope you did. We're back in Wyoming now.